Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanna show you a reliable way to turn your dream into reality. In this regard, the greatest people of the world, Elon Musk, says something like that: a dream written out with the date becomes a goal broken down with steps becomes a plan, and a plan backed by action is considered as reality. So if you want to turn your dream into reality, you must tone it down into a goal. If you want to achieve your goal, you must have a specific plan for that. If you want to accomplish your plan, you must need an action, a successful effort. Then it becomes reality. And remember this: whatever you can think, you achieve. So think positive to earn something positive. Think something great to have something great. I hope you've been got my point. Thanks for watching me. I love you.